Hey everybody, RedmondGAMER here with an Azure Data Factory pro tip. So this is something that I was actually doing some Google searching and couldn't find the answer to. It took me a couple hours. This is shameful to admit, but this just goes when you're trying to teach yourself how to do something. That's how it works sometimes. Sometimes it goes quickly and sometimes it doesn't. So if you've ever wanted to try and use dynamic content coupled with wildcard information, the way you do that is you use handlebars. So instead of getting your stuff wrapped in like this, you encapsulate everything within handlebars. So everything that's in here will get executed, and then after that you can then resume using wildcards just as you would to load up a specific file. It's that easy. You can actually string them together too. So if you wanted to do additional dynamic contents, you just type it in here and it'll work just fine. If you wanted to put them in between and do that too, I think that'll work. Just again, I think it'll work based on your scenario, but if you ever want to use wildcards and dynamic content together, just remember, use the handlebars. That's it. Hope you enjoy the video.